Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. You get the Dow down 80, Nasdaq's off 19, S&Ps are off 11.5. Gold contract up $6.40, trading at $1,314 an ounce. Silver off 4 cents at $19.98 an ounce. Platinum up 14 at $1,477 an ounce. Copper flat at $3.17 a pound. Light sweet crude up 65 cents, traded at $97.57. Bonds, here you go, folks. Rates are going down, and you're going to see them going down real quick right now. 10-year up 14 ticks at 125.30. 30-year up 27 ticks, 139.11, both with conviction, wide price spread, all of the above. We're going to get back with that, bisected and dissected. King dollar up 83 ticks, trading out at 81.59. The euro's down 19 at 133, and the yen is off 8 at 102.02. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. And the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You have a market, folks, that can't hold price, period. Not even close, either. This is a very large ABC structure on the way down. It's a 75-point ABC structure down from that 1942 area. We're at 1912 right now. Your next stop, I suspect, is going to be somewhere, you get another 100 points down. That's the bottom line. You know, she'll get a little support at 1883, but this thing is cracking and cracking in a big way. We're going to take a look at the SPY, the correlation inside that SPY right now. You're down $1.19, 92 million shares traded. You need more volume. Okay, we get as much volume as yesterday, but you're going to get it. The expanded volume is out here. We get an hour, we have 55 minutes coming into the marketplace. What we just did, if you're watching Tiger TV, intraday here, we just broke the B point of another ABC structure on the way down. That B point was 190.88. We hit that B point is at 12:30 Eastern Standard Time today. We are at, let's see, okay, we got 1 minute left. It already did the volume. You're going to see a nice ABC structure on the way down. This is a good size one, too. So if you're trading intraday, this is what you have. 192.88 is your A point. 192, this is a big one. Oh, this is sweet. 192.88 is a B point, A point rather. 190.88, you get $2. You get $2. 189.92. That's where we're going. We can make that, you know, within this next hour. So that's another point down from where we are right now. She's breaking it right now. We did 3.3 million shares versus, oh, hold it 1 second. That's 3.9, 3.3. No, we need a little more. We need a little more volume. Okay, so the 10-minute did 3.3 versus 3.9. So we do need more volume. I suspect we'll get it coming into it, but we need more volume right now. Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. This is what you have with the Dow, down $83. Inside the Dow Industrials, putting weakness into. There she is. Putting weakness into the Dow out here. You had United Health, Disney, Procter & Gamble. Well, United Health is down 227. You have Disney down 111. Procter & Gamble is down 97. Pfizer is down 31. Giving it some strength, Boeing is up 135. That's a dead cat bounce. That already went into the February 5th area. Microsoft is still in good shape. That's up 47. Caterpillar is a dead cat bounce, up 61. United Technologies is up 35, another dead cat bounce. Something you want to wrap your head around, folks, when you're looking at strengths and weaknesses inside the indices. When you're getting a bounce like this, you want to look and say, okay, is that a stock that has already got taken apart? So let's go take a look at it when you're going to be able to see what we're talking about here. If we start with Boeing, which is the strongest stock today in the NYSE, what you have is this. Boeing has just gone straight down from 137, hit a low out here yesterday of 117. Hit that low with 6.2 million. It's up on 3.4, not even close. United Technologies, UTX. What did UTX do? This is even sicker. UTX went straight down from 120. Hit a low yesterday with volume of 103. You bounce the 103 at 5.4 million. You're doing 3 million today. That correlation right there will help you tremendously understanding is there strength and or weakness inside the indice. Go over to the NASDAQ Composite. NASDAQ Composite got inside its lower range yesterday. You're down $19 right now. The number that we're talking about as inside the lower range is 4371. Right now we're at 4334. What does that set up? That sets up a large number on the way down. That sets up 3946. Volume, yeah, we're going to need more volume. It looks like, well, this is going to get interesting, too. We got volume last Friday, but it's very unusual to get volume on Mondays and Fridays. You know what? When the market's going south this quick, volume will come in. Why? The elevator goes down, the cord goes out, see ya, don't want to be ya. And the bond market has been screaming and screaming in an extraordinary way for quite a while that the markets want to go south, rates want to come down dramatically. The 10-year out here today is up 14 ticks. We've done 1.2 million contracts. You're 2 ticks away from the 126 area to break it. Now, if you want to see a classic, if you have my book, The Art of Timing the Trade, you know that right before you, at swing points, folks, swing points where the market talks, walks, and squawks. And if you are pushing with volume before a swing, whether it's a high or low, your probability goes higher that you're going to bust that swing point. Now, what we have been doing is this. We've been building cars for quite a while on this 10-year to blow away this 126 area. We came and missed it by 1 tick today with expanded volume. This thing is going to blow it out of the water. This is a large ABC up. You got 128 on it. 30-year. What do you have with the 30-year? 30-year is up 26 ticks today. You get 332,000 contracts. That's already a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. Dollar index. We take a look at the dollar, what we have with the dollar out here. That's trading 27,000 contracts. That, I suspect, is going to build some cars to get into the 84, 85, 50 mark. Gold. What do we have with gold? Gold continues to move. We did GCZ. Gold contract out here today up 680. You're at 111,000 contracts. We're at 1314. That is going to make that run for 1347. I expect what you're going to actually see there is that it's going to make the run all the way up to that 1391. And the aspect of the gold metal market, folks, I suspect this is going to be the whole, political event versus a monetary event. This is going to be it's not a cool thing. That's the bottom line. Oil. Let's go over to the oil market. CLU FOA. We take a look at oil. Oil out here. Oil is trading at a price point of 97.52. That, we have volume right now. Oh, this is already an ABC down. Oh, check this out. This is a nice ABC down. The A point is 10. The A point on oil is 106.60. The B's 98.60. That's a sweet one. You get $8. The C point is 103, so that's $95. We've hit 96.55. $95 is the number where this A to B equals C to D. We passed the B point. We did it with volume. Some of the high volume stocks out here. You get BAC flat. Sprint is down 3. You get let's see. Walgreens is up $1.45. That's a dead cat. Micron Tech's off $1. We have Time Water is down 204. They've been banging that baby around since yesterday, since the Murdoch doesn't want to take it over. Some of the Dow stocks. You get ExxonMobil off $1. We have Disney off 120. You got Oxy off 151. Big Blue is off 218. Walmart's down 37. No big deal. Let's go over to Rig. Transocean came out with the numbers last night. That was pushing into the lows. Transocean couldn't handle higher price out here today. That's after some decent numbers too, by the way. The numbers that come out that they were big numbers. They made 163 versus 111. So what you had out here today is that Rig opened at 39. It's at 38.06. Huge volume. The volume, Monday, let's see, what day is today? Thursday. Tuesday, we did 11.7 million shares. We're already 11.2 million shares. This thing is blowing away its last swing point, and it's a lot lower it can go. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You can expect, here it comes, man. You can expect some big selling, folks. You can expect selling, wide price spread, big volume, all of the above. See ya. Don't want to be ya. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back.